How to install n8n on your Windows. First, you need to install Node.js. Node.js is helping you to run JavaScript on your computer. You need also to install NPM, which is a package manager for JavaScript, to download various JavaScript libraries, so Node.js can use it. When you install Node.js, NPM is also getting installed automatically. So here you see that you can go to the website of Node.js, go for the download. Here you can select the option of Windows and the type of architecture. I have already installed Node.js, but just to be sure, I'm going to check first the version of Node, and then I'm going to check the version of NPM as well. So everything has been installed so far. In order to install also n8n, you're asking NPM to install for your whole system n8n. Well, I have to stop this because I already installed it before. And to make sure, I'm going to check the version of n8n. And as you can see, I have already one version which is installed. And just to make it run, I enter n8n. It may take a little bit, but as you can see, it is giving me a URL. So I'm copying the URL, or you can press O to open it in the browser. So let me go for this URL. And as you can see, it is bringing me the first windows of the dashboard.